Goalkeeper in our life, Mufareh. In December 1937, a match between Chelsea and Charlton football clubs at the Stamford Bridge Stadium, London was stopped in the 60th minute due to heavy fog. Charlton's legendary goalkeeper Sam Bartram remained unaware and kept on guarding the goal 15 minutes after the game had stopped, as he did not hear the referee's whistle because of the crowd behind his goal post. He stood there with his arms outstretched and completely focused, looking forward so as not to be surprised by the opponent's shots. 15 minutes later, when the stadium police approached him and informed him that the match had been abandoned, Sam Bartram said these famous words with great sorrow. "How sad that my friends forgot me when I was guarding their goal post." Bartram thought his team was attacking and not allowing the opposing team to get close to the goal post. There are so many players in the field of life whose goal post one defends with enthusiasm and support, but when the situation becomes like a wave of fog, they walk out of the field and leave us alone. Always pay attention to the goalkeepers of your lives. Never abandon the one guarding your goal post. Onpassive is our goal post and Ash is our goalkeeper.